Hello, everyone. My name is Benjamin Notdurft, and I'm with the San Francisco Java User Group. We are a meetup for developers, architects, engineers, no matter the skill level. And we focus not just on Java, but also on AI a lot. And we have some events coming up where we still need a host with a location for 20 people. Let me briefly introduce the group. And just that you know, I've been active for over 20 years, also in community space, founding a Java user group also in Europe, running the JavaLand conference for 8 years, and also helping as editor at a Java magazine. And I've been awarded as an Oracle Ace or Ace Pro for over 8 years now. So back to the user group. As the San Francisco Java user group, we do care about our hosts a lot. So we want to help you get more visible between all skill levels, for tech leaders. You can share your company in the beginning. You can share your open roles. You get brand recognition. We have on Meetup 2 groups with over 10,000 members. Then on Luma, we have a group, which is the new platform where we register, and also building on WhatsApp. So we collect a lot of phone numbers for that regard. So you can also text there. And if you run an event, we can provide a personal message to the group, whatever you want. What we just need currently is a space for maybe 20 people. This is what we are currently having as a guests. In the past, we also had more visitors, like 40 to 50. But for the next events, we see it more around 20-ish. What we just need is a projector, a TV, a screen, or any kind of like that, and the seating, right? That's it, right? It can also be public in your kitchen. It's all good. Refreshments like water is optional. The pizza will be sponsored on both of the next events. So one time Oracle is sponsoring, another time the sponsoring happens over the provider from Kafka. And so we want to make you shine, make you feel golden. The events that I'm specifically seeking help for is the meetup on 24th, next Thursday, where Susanne, she's currently speaking at Java 1, and Nikolai, also speaking at Java 1, will give their presentations. So we will dive into how RAG was implemented in a real world scenario. I think it was in finance space. And she will share what she learned as a certified architect. Nikolai is the lead developer advocate for Europe for Oracle, Java specifically. He will share what's there in the roadmap, what is the current project. And then in April, the events cover again AI with how MCP can bridge LLMs and data streams. Vic from New York City brought a project that he implemented where we can play around with, where we can discuss it. And afterwards, lead developer, the core platform team of Java, Faros, who moved to San Francisco a while ago from India, will share the tool JCND, where he helped creating something to inspect crashes for applications to find out how to make them more resilient, right? So this 2 events where we need help. Now, I just want to show you a bit that we invested also in our slides. We improved it. We go for a new style. So, for example, here, we look for moderators. We currently have few users that are very active, that run the group. But of course, we also look for new ones. So if somebody in your company is not just interested in hosting, but also wants to become a moderator, this is a good entry point, for example. So for your company, it's also very helpful, like to get to know the audience, to find new engineers, and so on. Then the team, Peter, is now an advisor, and in the past he has run the group for 7 years. As well, he has run the Spring I/O conference in San Francisco. So we are very pleased to have him still around and coming to the events. Then it's me, an independent software developer, former manager, architect, engineer, and also teacher at universities. Matt just is currently back in Australia. He helped us in the past events a lot. He's a senior engineer, currently slowing down a bit. Claude, long-time friend of the JAG as well, and he will moderate the event next week, so our March event. And then for the April event, Sasha will step up. He's also very good in recording, so you can check us out on YouTube/SFJava to learn more about that. And then we also have younger engineers helping us, especially also in Notion, project management for the future events, like Robert, for example, the mascot, of course. Besides just events, we also have gatherings, like Bruno just did one on last Sunday, where we explored together the Computer History Museum, and we learned about our past and how Java was invented, and our AI is now coming into the picture, right? So just that you see, this is the slides how we introduced the speaker on the meetup. So Susanne, you can pause the video to learn more about her and more about her talk now. And then Nikolai, for example. So that's the speakers for 24th March. And then we have for 8th of April, we have Victor. And we will have Fairos, right? Yeah. You can find our group on luma.com/sfjava, meetup.com/sfjava. That's the team currently, right? Consider us. And we do, of course, post some social media stuff, like, for example, when we discuss the events with the speakers, you can find them here. And we pitch to all overseas speakers or guests from far, also like the sites, of course, that San Francisco has to offer, which is plenty, much more than we just painted here. That's it for now. I hope that we can make it happen, that you host us, help us with a future event. We are really seeking immediately for new hosts. We have been with a company in Market Street. They will come back soon, but they are moving. We have been also at Microsoft, we have been at Google, we have been at many places. But currently, these hosts have run dry. We still are in touch as well with Hackspaces, where we are pleased to be there, but it's a bit off-site from Market Street, and we would like to visit more companies again. So please get in touch with us. We are happy to talk with you. WhatsApp, LinkedIn, email, whatever you want, Zoom calls, Google Meet calls. So let's get it going. See you.